Assalamu alaikum and good morning, kids. Welcome to Year 3 English lesson Countable and Uncountable Nouns. So, without wasting more time, let's look at our objectives for today. By the end of this lesson, pupils will be able to look at the pictures and write using there's some or there are some. Write the correct answer using there's or there are at least 8 out of 15 correct. Now, let's learn about countable and uncountable nouns. Are you ready, kids? Good. Now, what is countable nouns and what is uncountable nouns? Let's look at countable nouns first. Now, countable nouns is nouns that can be counted. Ialah kata nama yang boleh dikira. Okay, for example, potatoes, books, tomatoes, pencils, something that we can really count. Benda yang betul-betul kita boleh kira. Now, whereas uncountable nouns is something that nouns that cannot be counted. Kata nama yang memang tak boleh kira. Usually, something that cannot be counted is considered like liquid, cair, something very small particle, benda yang sangat kecil. Okay, for example like coffee, tea, sugar, and flour. So, we use there's some with uncountable nouns. Kita guna there's some guna dengan uncountable nouns. Now, let's look at the examples. And we are going to look at countable nouns first. Kita tengok benda yang boleh kita kira dulu. Okay, now ready? Now, for example like this, tomatoes. Tomatoes is countable nouns. So, we use there are some tomatoes. Okay, I repeat, there are some tomatoes. Another countable nouns is carrots. So, the sentence will be there are some carrots. I repeat, there are some carrots. Now, next is chilies. Now, chilies is countable nouns. So, the sentence will be, there are some chilies. Terdapat beberapa chili. Now, same goes to the potatoes. So, there are some potatoes. Okay, now let's look on the uncountable nouns. Now, the first example is flour. Flour is tepung. So, let's look at the sentence. There's some flour. Okay, there's some flour. Another example of uncountable nouns is butter. So, butter is mentega. So, we say there's some butter. Okay, there's some butter. Another example is cheese. Now, cheese also considered as uncountable nouns. So, the sentence will be, there's some cheese. Okay, we did not say a cheese. We say there's some cheese. And last is coffee. Coffee also we don't count them. So, there's some coffee. Now, chocolate is uncountable nouns too. So, the sentence will be, there's some chocolate. Okay? Now, let's go to the next session, which is homework. Okay, please open your module 6 and get ready with your pencil case. Now, the first homework, we are going to look at this worksheet. So, how to do it? Very easy. First, you write the day and the date, like usual. Then, point to the pictures and say, for example, there are some onions. There are some onions on the table. So, after that, you write the sentences. Okay, in the given spaces. Tulis jawapan dan ayat tu dalam tempat kosong tu, tempat yang telah diberikan. Now, the second homework is this one. Okay, first write the day and the date and read, baca. and write the correct answer by completing the blanks with des or there are. Now remember, des we use with uncountable nouns. Okay, for example, there's some milk in the fridge. Now where there are we use with countable nouns. There are kita guna dengan benda yang boleh kira. For example, there are some carrots in the fridge. Okay, that's all for our today's lesson. See you again on the next lesson. Goodbye.